Hey, Dr. Diaz. What I now know about personalized learning is that it is not as hard as I thought. Before this course, I thought personalized learning was very involved and it would require me to completely change my teaching style and my philosophy, which is honestly why I steer away from it. However, after this course, I realized that I could not have been more wrong. A major mindset shift for me was the three roles in the classroom: the learner, which is the student, the instructional designer, the teacher, and the learning coach, which is someone helping the student outside the classroom. Once I understood these three roles, it helped me to visualize the foundation of a personalized learning classroom. As I continued learning, I learned that this type of classroom environment, the student is at the center. And I think in education today, we like to say that the student is at the center, but are we really being intentional about this? I don't think so. However, in the personalized learning setting, it has to be. You have to do that because that is the center. By simply tweaking certain aspects of what we're already doing in the traditional classroom setting, we can begin centering everything around the learners. Learners must have a voice and a choice in their learning. They know how they learn best, and it's up to the instructional designer to provide learning experiences that foster each student's learning styles and needs. The learning coach is just as important. They play a vital role in supporting the learner outside of the school to help them achieve their goals and to continue the motivation and encouragement. And again, if I'm being completely honest and transparent, I enjoyed this class a lot more than I thought I would. I learned more and found out that I enjoyed reading the assigned articles and began taking much more information away than I initially thought I would. I found that after I would research, I would begin thinking, oh, how could I apply this strategy or this tool into my current classroom setting? And I have decided that I am most definitely going to take what I have learned with me in this upcoming school year, such as having my students not only create long-term goals, but those short-term goals, encouraging more learning coach involvement and kind of researching how I can build that foundation for them, and giving my students more of a choice in their learning. For example, I'm thinking maybe giving them a choice on which reading centers they want to do on which day, or maybe even going as far as here's 2 assignments, pick which one you're going to learn best out of doing. And I'm just imagining my 5th graders, and I just feel like they are going to feel like the kings of the world if they are actually able to choose how they want to learn or which assignment they want to do. So overall, I have really enjoyed this course. I have learned so much and am excited for all of the takeaways. Thanks so much.